Hey guys, once again welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet crop top and halter neck designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to you people in it. You can get many ideas from my video. So friends, this video is very useful and helpful for you guys. I request you all to continue to support me like this. Watch the full video. Every video is very beautiful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. You can also buy to the market about such designs. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. If you like today's video, please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kinds of crochet related designs. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave me good comments. Please let me know in the comment box what you guys like to see. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you guys are interested in my videos, you can follow my channel Creation. Stay with me, take care, will remember in prayer, and bye.